welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai, bring to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Chief Minister inaugurates Malangkona Police Outpost in Meghalaya. Mauringkneng Local Council opposes MLA's proposal for check gate. HITO and HYC stage sit-in demonstration demanding DSC results. And BSF Meghalaya celebrates International Yoga Day 2024. And now the news in detail. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inaugurated the Malangkona Police Outpost in West Khasi Hills on 21st June. The outpost, a long-standing demand of Malangkona residents, aims to bolster safety and security in the region, particularly near the Assam border. Speaking at the inauguration, CM Sangma emphasized the government's commitment to enhancing citizen safety across critical areas of the state. The outpost, funded through the Police Infrastructure Renovation Fund (PIRF), cost Rs 17.5 lakhs and involved community participation in its construction. CM Sangma praised the collaborative effort, urging similar community involvement in future projects. The initiative underscores Meghalaya's proactive approach to addressing local security concerns and fostering community-government partnerships.
Our former Home Ministers and also former SPs and DCs, and more importantly the current SP and the DC, for having completed this building. And if you look at this building, it's a 17.5 lakh rupees building. But you have the Chief Minister of the state, the Deputy Chief Minister of the state, the DGP of the state, all the senior police officials coming here to be part of this very small inauguration in the program. But I would like to tell all of you that this building may be very small, but this building symbolizes the importance that this government gives to governance, the importance that we give to public service. This building is a symbol of the safety and security of the citizens of our state. This building is a symbol of the confidence of the people in this area. And hence it may be a very small structure, but the message is very large. And the message I would also like to give today, that as a government, the safety and security of our citizens is a top priority for our government. Yes, we have challenges, we have difficulties, but amongst those challenges and difficulties, if we all work together, if we all put our heart and soul into what we want to do and achieve, if we keep the objective and the purpose in front of us clear and visible, there is nothing that we cannot achieve. And that is the message of this particular inauguration today. And as Deputy CM has mentioned, this is not just one of the projects that is there. There will be many, many such projects in all the sensitive areas, in all the areas which are very far flung, which are very, very remote, where we have different challenges, where there's a requirement for different outposts and manpower. Let me assure the citizens of our state, not just in West Khasi Hills, but all across the state,
Khasi Hills, to give a vote of thanks for this special program.
Peter J. Lawai, speaking on behalf of the Mauringkaneng Local Council, Dorbar Shnong, strongly opposed MLA Heaving Stone Kharpran's suggestion to establish a check gate on Highway 44 and 6. Lawai emphasized that the existing police station effectively manages vehicle traffic in the area, rendering an additional check gate unnecessary. He urged the police department to prioritize stringent patrolling in markets and villages instead, ensuring community safety. The local council stance underscores their commitment to practical security measures over redundant infrastructure, addressing local concerns effectively.
Khubor kalian macam dawa yang lu di checkpost apa ke heavy apa ke area tu mana kita kalau ba ba ke jinjat di checkpost ko heavy pokoknya heavy ka chikot bubun kalian kawan cupai ba hantam ke jinjat kali hantam bubu kalian kawan cupai ba kalau jalan lu accident maka tip heavy dari bubun di truck di bagian pencet kali dompet kali teknik orang aku cupai ba di ba mulai kawan jong Shillong ko churu churu bulai wan khangkam beli kan so hibi ko beli kan transit road ini iba kan ka boch ne ka Bosco for pati no Shillong ki churu chi di dalam Shillong wa lo ko pala ko di berwek no ini rei akipon bom swa ne ju kren ko Bosco for rei ko 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 ba na kalian ko police department ki ai daw ba ni don ne ka check post ne check point bang bang check ini ki illegal ko transport ba idai ko highway di nakaliang SP ikon ba ni ako kita rehadir pagilay kerang ng Shillong ya urusan charge ko ng station ko ba ni mga internet post mo permit kay kawan super ba di nata dalam kalian ba ng station lawan ba ito de hindi mo ta iba ba kan yang kita check post ko dali ni pasajo ni kapag ni ba inum late ni kam amal kita ko sa ay karang juga lepas mo na tayo ko Bagaimana khususnya ni bukan sih kalian terus nom, bagaimana kita dalam beberapa polis department, apa kemudian station, tadi kau yang raih pengilasian. Di sana ni kalau ni pak orang ni kalau pak, kemudian polis station, kalau ada kita hadir di taman keluar berguna. Ini Bosco kan juga di yang polis department, se EDGP dalam. Bagi kita susu kan kan susu taman keluar apa kemudian polis station. Bagi iba kemudian ini di skill. Ikan untuk kecil-kecil blok kita. Jika ini mengikuti karena keserta lembaga hukum department aku asyik berperan kong di sini. Jadi soal ajimut proposal ke government dari hukum department parakan bono ya way of officer on special duty bagi staff cukup dibanding tentang yang NDPS case. Uno uju officer mata crime case, civil case, drug case Dahulu kong nilakot kita isu, kung nilakot M10 blocks. Khubor, Khubor, area movement dari national highway, build one bar, iba deadlock, ibubon, one bar, cak blocks na matawag, ikanakwas na matagay ang blocks. Naman iba, kami siguro na kataga alam konti na po, pababa prestisya, pababa kan po, pero paano hindi ko sa, nagkakistan juga, nagkakistan 10% kayong blocks. Tikatan dia buku soal ajibut di kuat muntah. Pananggalan kahulugan dan buku perpanggoy besar dalam baik. Specialty staff juga dalam take tang tang terkini juga NEHU case. Kata ada kami pengikuan. Ini ajibut aja kami belum bisa post. Bapak ada pengikuan kalau pak kini enhance susu yang financial assistance KDP. Ini lebih lagi Khubor, bagaimana bagaimana kau disini terutama klien KDP mana Shillong. Hari kedua pai.
On June 21st, Hito and HYC Maukarwat Circle leaders and members staged a sit-in demonstration at the Deputy Commissioner's office, pressing for the release of pending District Selection Committee DSC results dating back to 2019. The organizations warned of continuing the protest without food until the results are declared. The demand underscores their frustration over the prolonged delay and emphasizes the importance of transparency and timely administrative action. The sit-in reflects their determination to seek resolution and accountability from the authorities regarding the long overdue DSC outcomes.
Nadu usnem aja khatkandai yakba ki khnas Samla jong dong kathan khaptam jong ka Southwest Khasil Kejogi yakba klayo bantep yakti kepus haba house name aja khat khandai nakliang jong KJC office klayo banpenmi yakti kepus Henry haduk menta kalong kabasusi yangi kinong yalam jong kiseng boper bat kumjuru khamtam yakinong thapkam kata yaki samla kenthei batsenrang te nakliang jong ke hitoru ilayo mi yo banmi office jo DC lakba asin license hakaba yo kajubab kaba nakliang jong DC ru siong nginsapin mino hi Henry menta ladap daki snem daki sausan snem ngim yo I yakata garisol kejongki baya kaba kinpenmi ha kini kipus baper nakliang jong ka office kejongki kila deploy kumagi tim hi ka DC ka agency jong ka sarkar yakaba kan recruit bantep kam yaki khna samla haman laki district hakaba yakani ka DC hi lakri do DC jong
ba kane kadai ka message ka basyai bhana kaliang jongi ladang impat yo ia kano ka message nak nang tei na office DC kane ka jing song ka jongi kanom kut tang hang ne hanrei kan sapoi ka por ba hang tei hak khamat jing khang jong phi nin lek song sha thnan hang tei nin lek song sha thnan hang tei nin sim nang ne lada phimpat ai kano ka khubor lani kano ka jing khot ya kran ta jongi ba pin meno kloi ya kane ka risol ngin sim sada ka wai karai but show tang na ka circle hanrangin wanra yaki breu ki jongi naki son ki baper naki unit ki baper naki circle ki baper ngin wanra hakane ka jaka but ngin lex don hang tai hak tendong jingkhang jong ka office DC kata kadai ka maset ka basai bha but kam dai show tang bangin de shong kan mungor hang ne hasuro hanrai ngin ai sindon da ka jing shat than huntai hado bangin dayo yala ka jong ka hok jong ki khon samla jong ka dong ka than ka jongi namar la penleng ala perpisa borosi kata balai pi penleng a pi pen pisa katne ya ki khon samla ki jongi
ki dukhap sang bhalang bat kumjuru alo ki samla nang pai kam nang pai jam bat kat ki badon ei hakani ka porum ta ai kuplai kulum lang api nam takani ka por kamta kumbat jupen kemau ka dau ka bakongsan ka bangi khot ekani ka jingalang ani ka por mta kalong ba kalor kanong rim ka jingpan slam na kaliang ka office jong deputy commissioner ban penmi ya risol ka badai berkat DSC ani ka district selection committee kumbat jupen kemau ba ya kani ya ka advertisement ka badai berkat ka DSC ka ba ya ki nam takani ka risol kani ka por mta la dapat penmi na du ka pratarik nom khat pratarik jong nom ba jong sama rajar khandai kejingkeli ke bami mentapat kalong ba balai ke simpor hado arsnem steng laisnem ninom khenyo snem arajar arjar point mark tu por ngidon covid hanrai menta ar
Border Security Force Meghalaya marked International Yoga Day with the theme Yoga for Self and Society across its headquarters and border outposts along the Indo-Bangladesh border. Led by Shri Anand Singh Takshak, DIG PSO BSF Meghalaya, a yoga session was inaugurated at BSF camp Umpling Shillong, attended enthusiastically by all ranks and their families. The event aimed to promote holistic health and wellness, highlighting yoga's integral role in daily life. Prior to the celebration, BSF Meghalaya conducted awareness campaigns in nearby civil areas through rallies and banners. DIG PSO emphasized yoga's benefits for physical, mental and spiritual well-being, encouraging all personnel to incorporate yoga into their routines for overall wellness. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.